It's hard to find a YouTube niche that keeps paying you year after year. You put in months of work, your videos spike for a week, and then the views dry up. Even worse, I know some channels that have great views, huge subscriber base, but money, too low to talk about. But after researching for 3 weeks straight and running multiple A/B tests, I found one niche that can deliver evergreen views and serious money. So this niche is called animated stories, but you don't have to be a high-end animator or cartoonist for that. AI will take care of everything. How? That's what I'll show you in this video. You will learn 2 simple ways to create an amazing story step by step. The first one is super quick, where we will use CapCut's new Seedream 4.0 image generation model. You can make everything in just a few clicks in a few minutes. Just check the description below to get the download link of it. The second way is for those who want full manual control over every bit. This will be about how to build it manually using different tools. So now let's start, shall we? Proof of the niche. Look at this channel. They have made an almost 13 million subscriber base and nearly 7 billion of total views. Their monthly views should be somewhere around 34 million. Their videos are currently aiming for 1 hour, but previously they had done 5-minute, 15-minute, and 30-minute videos too. So, the duration could be anything if the content is good. Plus, the channel earns around $274,000 per month. The audience is also huge in this niche, because both Gen Alpha and Generation after that are into this niche. So your audience will never dry down, and now you are just one step away from grabbing this gold mine. Learning. The animated story niche is massive, like a whole universe. From fantasy adventures to moral lessons, school dramas, comedy skits, and even emotional life stories, so many things fall under it. But if you try to cover everything at once, your channel will just blend in with the crowd. The fastest way to grow is to pick one sub-niche and stick to it. For example, you could focus only on school life animations or only on moral-based animated shorts. That way, people start to recognize you as an expert in that one type of story. But the real question is, which sub-niche should you choose? At this point, we have 2 choices. We could use ChatGPT for this stage and other AIs for other tasks. Or we could take the easier and quicker way, where everything would happen in just one tool, with a few clicks. Yes, and that tool is CapCut, something not only you but many editors use for editing. But now, CapCut is not only about editing, it is offering you a complete end-to-end package for everything you need for YouTube video creation. The reason creators love it is that it's extremely simple. To select the topic first, simply open the CapCut Web AI Video Maker and select the Brainstorm with AI option. Then type in your idea, something like, I want to start an animated story channel. I've seen some storytime animations, and I have a few examples. Once you paste in a few samples, the AI instantly breaks them down, highlights the main themes, and generates more story ideas in the same style. It can even create a mind map so you see how different ideas connect. From there, you choose the direction you like most. The key is to pick a title that sparks curiosity and makes people want to click. When you finally lock a title, it's time to go for script writing. And in this part too, CapCut will help you. See, script writing is an extremely crucial part of your video. It has the power to make or break everything. The demo you will see right now won't help you get 100,000 or 500,000 views quickly. For that kind of quality, either you have to apply your own creativity or you have to subscribe to this channel and follow our work. We will create a deep dive, analytical video on script writing because it truly demands a separate long-form tutorial. If you already have a story or script ready, select Enter your script in CapCut. But if you'd like CapCut to generate one for you, choose Create one with AI. Just type a simple prompt, and the AI will automatically build a story based on what you write. Here's the exact prompt you can enter in CapCut. Act as a professional YouTube scriptwriter. My niche is animated stories. The topic is, insert your topic here. Write a 2,000-word narration that feels like a gripping story with strong characters, emotions, and suspense. Avoid generic or flat storytelling. Go deep with vivid scenes, dialogues, and natural character development. Use simple words and short, clear sentences that are easy to follow. Do not use bullet points. Use only a few subheadings to structure the script. Make it flow like a cinematic narration for YouTube, not like a blog post. Hit enter and within seconds your full script will appear, ready to use. As our script is already ready, just pick the option to enter it. Then go to the left side, click on Scene. You'll see the voiceover section. CapCut gives you many voices to choose from. Click on each one to hear how it sounds. Pick the one that matches your story, then click Apply to all scenes. In a few seconds, the voiceover is ready. Play it back and check if it sounds right. But the journey isn't complete yet. To bring everything together, we still need the last two pillars: visuals and editing. Visuals. First, we need images, so go to the Media tab. You'll see three options. The first is Generate AI Media. This makes new AI images that match your script. The second is Match Your Media. This lets you upload your own pictures and CapCut will fit them into your story. And the third is Match Stock Media. This pulls free images and videos from CapCut's stock library. For this project, let's use Generate AI Media. Next, set up the image style. Start with the aspect ratio. I'll choose 16:9 landscape, which is perfect for YouTube videos. Then pick a style. You'll find options like realistic, anime, fairy tale, futuristic, and more. For this story, I'm choosing Cartoon 3D because it works well for kids' animation. Now wait a few seconds and your images will appear. They're ready to use. Preview them one by one. If any image doesn't look right, hover over it and click Replace. A new window will open. Click Generate and CapCut will give you 4 new versions of that image. Pick your favorite and add it to the scene. The old image will be swapped out. This lets you polish each scene until it's perfect. So, you are just one step away from creating the final video. Just click Edit More at the top. CapCut will open your whole project in its editing table, where you can fine-tune everything. So we're now inside CapCut editing timeline. First thing first, seeing image one after another in a video feels like watching a slideshow. To ditch that, go to the Transitions tab. Scroll through the options like you're flipping through different doors you can walk through. Drag the one you like between 2 clips on the timeline. You can add each and every transition manually between every scene. Otherwise, you can just add one and click Apply to all. Next, the captions. Right now, they're just plain text, and plain text feels lifeless. Click on a caption in the timeline, then open the effects panel. Pick a style that suits your video, something that makes the words pop. The moment you select it, the text lights up, suddenly more alive and fun to watch. Now we have to adjust sound. A video without sound effects feels empty, like watching a play with no clapping or footsteps. So, go to the Audio tab and open sound effects. Pick the ones that fit the scene, like a rustle of leaves, a knock, a chirp. Drag them onto the timeline and place them right where they belong. Adjust the volume so they blend in, not stick out. Repeat this for every spot that needs to look alive. But sound effects alone aren't enough. Every good story has background music, so again, you need to go to Audio, then Sound Effects. This time, pick a full track instead of a small effect. For my project, I chose a track called Forest. It sets the mood perfectly. Place it under your video. Lower the volume so it doesn't drown out the voiceover. Now your video feels like it has its own heartbeat. With the story set, it's time to add a title. Think of it like the cover of a book. It tells the audience what's inside. First, group your clips together and shift them slightly to make space at the start. Then go to Media and select Image. Choose a background image that matches your theme. Next, drag a text box onto the timeline and type your title. I typed this. Place it neatly at the center so it's easy to read. But that's not enough. You have to style it. Open the Effects tab to give the text a nice look, then go to Animation to add movement. Titles that move grab more attention than ones that just sit still. After that, make the title speak. Select the text, then open Text to Speech, pick an AI voice, maybe the same voice you used for your main story so it sounds consistent. Click Apply and suddenly the title talks, but it's still missing one thing: an intro sound. Go back to Audio, pick a short, catchy sound and drop it at the very start. Now, your title doesn't just appear, it comes with impact. Next, pull all your clips back in place right after the title. Your story is now connected and whole, from start to finish. Now, if you are already happy with this, you can stop, export, and share. But look, this output can be made even better. And for that, you can add animations. But animations cost credits in CapCut. You start with 120 free credits. What we've done so far is free, but animating scenes will use some of those credits. To animate, right-click an image and choose Image to Video. Type a short description like I'm writing here. Then select the Video 2.0 model, set duration to 5 seconds, and choose aspect ratio 16:9. This costs 140 credits. Click Generate and CapCut will turn your still picture into a moving scene. Preview it, and if you like it, do the same for other scenes. Finally, once the whole video is ready, export it. Click Export at the top. Give your project a name, pick a folder, set the resolution to 4K for best quality, choose MP4, and click Export. Wait a moment while CapCut finishes the render. Now you're done. Upload it to YouTube or wherever you want, hit play, and enjoy the story you've built from scratch.
Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a thick and dark jungle, there lived a little monkey named Monkey. Monkey was a curious monkey. Every day, he would go on adventures in the jungle with his two best friends, a wise old turtle named Shelly and a playful parrot named Coco. One sunny morning, Monkey, Shelly, and Coco were playing hide and seek near their home. Monkey was counting 1, 2, 3, and covered his eyes with a banana leaf. "Ready or not, here I come," he called out. But before he could find his friends, a big gust of wind suddenly blew the leaf off his face. And when he opened his eyes, he realized he had lost his friends. He looked around, but the trees and vines all looked the same. He was completely lost. Monkey started to panic. What if he never saw his friends again? Just then, a friendly-looking chameleon named Clyde saw Monkey and asked, "Hey, little monkey, why are you crying?" Monkey wiped his tears and said, "I am lost. I was playing hide and seek with my friends, but I can't find them anywhere."
You see, it was really easy and fast. We did everything in less than 10 minutes, right? And for this, you only have paid for CapCut subscriptions, which is extremely cheap. It has 3 plans. Honestly, these are the cheapest subscription packages you will ever see. Before we move on, I've got something special for audience. This month, I'm opening the doors for just 10 people to join my private coaching program, where I personally teach you everything I've learned about building and scaling profitable YouTube channels. It's a 10-week live coaching journey, where we'll work together step by step, from finding your perfect niche, crafting videos that actually get views, mastering YouTube SEO, to building your content creation business that can start earning you real income. You'll get direct access to my frameworks, my tools, and the exact systems I've built over 10 years in this industry. Everything I wish I had when I started. You will also get a chance to connect with my script writers and video editors too, the same team who built AI Maskman from 0 to 60,000 subscribers. If you've been trying to grow, but you're stuck, overwhelmed, or tired of guessing what works, this is your chance to get personal guidance and finally make it happen. Book a free call with me using the link below, and if you qualify, you'll get a chance to work with me one-on-one inside this program. This isn't for everyone. It's only for serious action takers who are ready to invest time and effort into their success. Spots usually fill up fast, so if you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. The link's in the description. Let's see if you're a fit. Now let's get back to the video. The second method. But if you want to follow the second method, every little thing there will be under your control. But for that, you will have to give at least 3 times effort. You will have to use multiple AI tools, at least 4 tools, and for better results, you will have to buy all of them. If you use premium tools for great results, it might seriously break your bank, costing 5 times or 10 times of the first method. And juggling all these tools, your workflow will slow down for sure. Let me show you how, quickly. So, up to script writing, you use ChatGPT. After that, for voiceover, you will use 11 Labs. Using it is easy. You have to come to Voices tab, select any voice that you like and fit the niche, and add it to My Voice. Then go to Text to Speech. Select the voice you chose, and paste your script part by part here. Hit Generate and your voiceover will be ready. For some initial use, it will be free. But when you will make videos continuously, you have to buy its packages. Then you have to create visuals. For animating a 3D cartoon, Google Veo 3 will give you the best result. Give your script to ChatGPT and ask it to create video generation prompts based on each line. But that will be a lot of prompts, you know? You need to go to Google Gemini. Then select Try VEO. And from Tools, select Create Videos with VEO. Then just feed it the prompts one by one, and within 1 to 2 minutes, you will get great animations with sound effects. But Google VO isn't free at all. Instead, it's quite costly. And honestly, this is the most expensive and time-consuming part in the second method. But once you get everything, you can again come to CapCut for the final editing. And before that, you can download any copyright-free background music from anywhere, like Bensound or Epidemic. After that, open CapCut and import everything: voiceover, music, visuals. The rest of the editing part is the same as I showed you already. But this will take you roughly 5 to 7 days in the beginning and 3 to 5 days when practiced. While if you use only CapCut's features for the entire YouTube video creation, it would take you from 30 minutes to 1 hour. Even if you do a lot of trial and error and push it too much, it might become 2 hours, max. Plus, in the case of this second method, you have to watch out for the cost. So I will always suggest that you use CapCut as it takes less time and money as well. You can create videos with just a few clicks. If you need any special discount, you can find its link in the description. But which method would you prefer? And why? I'd love to know your opinions in the comments below. And also, if you need any other help for any other niche, just let me know in the comments too. Hit subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's see who's ready to turn this into their next big win.